What up, what up, what up, y'all? This is Uncle P. And, man, I tell you, what a good week it was. Here's the deal, you guys. Last week, I told you guys, and the week before, there was a lot of turbulence in the market because of news events, unexpected news events, especially out of China. And then it trickled down to the fact that BlackRock, which is one of the just one of the largest companies here in the U.S., investment brokerages, and they have a large percentage of their real estate tied into that Evergrande fiasco. Then Fidelity, which holds a lot of you guys 401ks and IRAs, they're also tied into it. So the echo effect of what could potentially happen scared the markets, and that's why we had such turbulent weeks over the last 2 weeks. But the Signals Group always come back through. So look at what we did last week. Yes, we closed out a lot of trades early in profit. We took our money when the market presented itself. We had a few losses in there. We're really supposed to be 12-4, but on one of them, some people said, yes, I won that trade. Others said they didn't, and the reason why is because of the broker spread. So the trade worked out perfectly, but what happened was when they were trying to do the stop hunts, it depends on what broker you were using on this particular trade. It came close to touching the stop loss for some, but for some it did touch it, and that wasn't because of the trade itself. It was simply because some brokers would charge you 4 pips, some would charge you 6 or 7 pips per trade or whatever. So that's the reason why this one was in question, and I did not add it to the win or loss total. So outside of that, we had 11 wins, 4 losses, and of course the scalping group was a beast. There we go.